If you're wondering, how do I search by product attributes in WooCommerce, you've come to the right place. Product attributes often contain some of the most useful information in a WooCommerce catalog, such as size, color, material, or brand. But WooCommerce's standard front-end search doesn't include attribute values. This is a huge oversight for multiple reasons. Attribute search helps customers shop by specific product features. It supports more natural search queries based on how people describe products. It improves product discovery in stores with many variations. And it makes catalogs easier to use when important details are stored as attributes. So many store owners look to modify the search behavior to include product attributes. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. If you're comfortable getting technical, one way to enable product attribute search in WooCommerce is with custom code. This involves using WordPress filters to modify the search code so that attribute data is checked along with WooCommerce's default searchable fields. This isn't a simple code snippet either, since it has to modify the actual where clause in the SQL query. So unless you really know what you're doing, this method is not recommended. The best approach for most site owners asking themselves, how do I search by product attributes in WooCommerce, is to use a plugin. While some generic search plugins will allow you to set up product attribute search, the best way is to use a purpose-built solution like Elevated Product Search for WooCommerce by Elevated Extensions. This plugin has a simple toggle that enables search by product attributes in one click. Once the option is enabled, visitors can search by product attributes in your WooCommerce store just like they search for product names and other data. So if you've ever found yourself asking, how do I search by product attributes in WooCommerce? Now you know that this capability isn't available by default in WooCommerce. That means you'll either have to custom code a solution, which can be tricky for non-developers, or reach for a plugin like Elevated Product Search for WooCommerce by Elevated Extensions, which allows you to enable search by product attributes in one click.